Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we're gonna learn about how to set countdown on Clickup. For that, navigate to your Clickup website. Once you do that, at the left side of your workspace settings, you will find a option called timesheets. Tap on timesheets. Once you do that, once you go to timesheets, you will have a space like a calendar. Then tap on your starting date to ending date, and then come to my timesheet. Tap on add raw. Then you will have access to all your tasks. Just click on any of your tasks where you want to add a countdown. Now after selecting the date, you will have a start timer option here. Now you can go back to your workspace and work on your list, folder, or any kind of codes on your ClickUp. While working to any kind of folders or list, it will not stop your time. Now, once you have added a task on the raw, you will have to go back to your home workspace and then go to the folder from where you have taken the task. Then tap on customize. Now go to customize, tap on fields, and then click on this show time tracker option. Turn the show time tracker on and then save it. Save the changes. And now you can see you have a timer in all the tasks. Now what you will have to do is just tap on the start timer and it will start the countdown in the specific list option. This is how you can easily turn on your count. This is how you can easily start your countdown. If that's it for today, we will see you in the next tutorial.